Welcome to TravelScout channel. For today's video, we will take you to Graz, Austria. We will be going to explore Graz and discover the must-see places, things to do, and what to eat. But before we start, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future updates here on the TravelScout channel. Graz is European Capital of Culture in 2003 and City of Design in 2009. Nestled in the southern part of Austria and is the second largest city behind Vienna. It is one of the pristine historical areas in Europe and is filled with grand institutions and exciting new attractions. Graz has a definite style and elegance, and together with its great list of things to do, makes a perfect tourist location in Austria. Schlossberg. One of Graz's most recognizable features, and standing proudly in the center of the city, the Schlossberg is a tree-covered hill that once served as a fortress and was converted into a public park. The history of the Schlossberg goes back to the 10th century and has been the major point of fortification and defense for the city. Now, the iconic clock tower is one of the major attractions of Graz. The Schlossberg has a beautiful park with an embellished set of stairs that crisscross up the side of the hill and is the perfect place to see views of the city. Eggenburg Palace. Eggenburg Palace bears a major historical and cultural place in the city of Graz and in Austria. The palace is surrounded by alluring parkland and gardens, which represent the power and wealth of the Styrion rulers. Among things to see are the adorned staterooms with the captivating planetary room full of frescoes, the planetary garden, and the pavilion. The Styrion Armory contains historical arms and tools of war, and has the largest collection of arms and armor in the world, with over 30,000 items. This is because the region of Styria was once being the main area of conflict against the Ottoman Empire. Thus, a state armory was constructed in order to arm the people. The weapons and armor that have survived are preserved and now showcased in the original building and create a splendid collection. The collection consists of spears and pikes, and shelves full of rifles and pistols. There are also stacks of full suits of armor, and artillery pieces, like cannons and mortars. Herr's Jesukirche. This remarkable piece of neo-Gothic architecture is located a little to the east of Graz city center. This beautiful church is constructed in the 1800s. The stunning exterior of the church is a regression to Gothic designs from earlier centuries and has a contrasting orange and white color scheme. The bell tower is the third tallest in Austria and is capped with a pointed green roof. Inside this impressive building, the interior is extravagantly decorated, and one of the most notable features is a wonderful circular stained glass window that sits above the organ pipes and lets light fall through on the congregation seats below. Altstadt von Graz. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Altstadt von Graz, or Old Town, instantly striking for its well-preserved medieval and Italian Renaissance buildings. Hauptplatz is the main square, bordered by the stunning Rathaus Town Hall. During the holidays, be sure to experience the local Christmas markets. Walk along Herrengasse and be delightful seeing the store windows, and turn down any of the small alleys to discover a charming cafe or interesting independent boutique. Kunsthaus Graz. This museum surely attracts attention starkly against the oranges of the tilted roof buildings that surrounded and portray most of Graz's Old Town. With a strange blue shell-like roof canopy, the Kunsthaus is devotedly known as the friendly alien, and you can easily see why when you see this intriguing structure up close. It boasts a superb design. Its modern art collection is fantastic and features displays from the 1960s onwards. Rathaus and Square. Right in the center of Graz's Old Town, the Rathaus has served as the town hall for hundreds of years and has gone through several changes in design, from the Renaissance to the current neoclassical building that stands today. The building takes hold of the front seat at one end of the main square in Graz, which features a large fountain dedicated to Archduke Johann, who was an important figure in the development of Styria. Graz Botanical Gardens. This sanctuary of greenery and natural wonder exhibits the typical style and distinctive architecture of Graz and has several armadillo-shaped greenhouses that incorporate together to form this unexpected shape. You will see inside these incredible greenhouses are plants, exotic flora, cacti, and other natural elements that are separated into 4 different climate zones. The Murensill. In 2003, Graz was selected as the European Capital of Culture, and as part of this honor, the Murensill was designed and constructed. Murensill is an artificial flouting island in the middle of the Mur River that links the 2 banks on both sides. This amazing glass-paneled dome gives the impression of floating on the water. Inside is a cafe and seating area to enjoy views of the river. There is also a children's play area. Adventure Park Graz. Interested in something different from the standard tourist sites? The Graz Adventure Park is a great way to take a break from sightseeing and a getaway from the confines of the city. Located on the outskirts of the city, the park is easily accessible and will provide your whole family with hours of fun. The park offers fun activities such as rope climbing, log sawing, rope bridges, walking trails, high ropes, and basically anything you could think of outdoors. Tickets are available for day visitors also, so anyone can make the most of this fun-filled place. So what do you think of our video? Please comment down below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future updates here on TravelScout channel. Thank you for watching.